Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials. A. Py file and a Python 3 interpreter. First, open the file in a lightweight viewer like Less or in an editor. You do this to see structure, imports, and top-level code. It reveals module-level side effects. Once done, scan for encoding headers and shebang lines, and note any relative imports or package names. Make sure to activate the virtual environment before trying to run or inspect modules, so you view the correct code. You now dive deeper. Run the script with Python M when it's part of a package so imports resolve correctly. Use Python M PDB to step through execution, set breakpoints, print variables, and evaluate expressions inline. If you prefer visual tools, open the project in an IDE and use its debugger to navigate frames and watch expressions. Once done, examine bytecode with the dis module to understand optimizations and decorators, and look in PyCache to confirm which source produced the running code. You're at the finish line. Run the updated file in the same environment or import and use importlib. Reload to pick up changes when using an interactive session. Add structured logging at debug level to trace flows without altering control. Use formatted messages to capture context. If something fails, check file permissions, path typos, and encoding. Those are often the culprit. As a tip, if edits don't apply, confirm you're editing the file that Python actually imports. Incorrect paths or multiple copies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.